This is an overview of the DKC05.3-200-7-FW, manufactured by Bosch, Rexroth, Indramat. These are among the most well-known servo drives used for either general-purpose automation or for machine tool applications. These drives are a part of the EcoDrive03 automation system, which enables users to fluidly and effectively control a wide variety of products because of extensive integral functionalities and a highly favorable price-to-performance ratio. The most common uses for these drives are in handling systems, printing and packing operations, food processing environments, and assembly lines. This specific drive I have here in front of me, like I said before, is a DKC05.3-200 drive. The 05.3 means it has a can open interface, which is found within the option card here on the side. It is paired with an encoder, which is usually approximately 2 inches long by 1.5 inches wide. They can be silverish or whitish in color and are screwed in by a single screw here. It has a 200 amperage rating, a voltage category of 7, and a firmware rating designated by either your needs or a generic factory rating. It can be used with multiple encoders, which are found here, like I said before. They can be silver or white in color, and they can be used for whatever application or setting you need the drive in. These drives can be powered on using 24 VDC, turning on the internal bus amperage for the fan, the board, and the option card found here on the side. I can turn that on for you now to show you. If you would like more information concerning this part or any other DKC drive within the DKC drive series, please contact us via phone or email, which can be found below in the description. Thank you.